Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's try to continue. It's Sunday through 2:30 p.m. Now the sun starts shining. So now the temperature now is 27. Probably it will go to 28 or 29. Yes, so but let's just continue. So now I did finish this one on my read list 31. My read list 31 there. And I have some more I did download that, but that's not, we're going to read that now, so let's put this away. I'm back on my messy read list 30. And I just try to keep this read list so we get back to the Pentiums, but that will be in many days because this takes a long time to do this. But it's 2:30. Let's continue a bit. I start to get tired. I maybe like just to watch television on Netflix later in the evening. But still have power on this camcorder. So let's continue. I have to, it's not labeled. Yes, close the screen. I need half a minute to do myself ready. And I have a Danish video I need to put public, but I can do that when I'm finished with this. Yes, I have to check my cell phone. So let's read.
STMicroelectronics. STMicroelectronics N.V.ST logo 2020 blue V.SVG. STMicroelectronics building.jpg. STMicroelectronics building in Plan Les Waits, Switzerland. Aerial view type Anonymous Venue Chap traded as Euronext Paris. SACOG 40 component ISINNL 0000226223 Industry Semiconductors founded 1987 Headquarters Plan Les Waits, Geneva, Switzerland, incorporated in Amsterdam. Key people Gian Mark Sherry, President and CEO, Nicolas Dufuk, Chairman of the Supervisory Board. Products integrated circuits for specific applications memory, including EEPROM. Microcontrollers, microprocessors, transistors, smart cards. STMicroelectronics is a French-Italian multinational electronics and semiconductors manufacturer headquartered in Plan Les Waits near Geneva, Switzerland. The company resulted from the merger of two government-owned semiconductor companies in 1987, Thomson Semiconductors of France and SGS Microelettronica of Italy. It is commonly called ST. While STMicroelectronics corporate headquarters and the headquarters for EMEA region are based in the canton of Geneva. The holding company, STMicroelectronics N.V. is incorporated in the Netherlands. Contents. History. Shareholders. Manufacturing facilities Grenoble, France. Recit, France. Tools, France. Milan, Italy. Catania, Italy. Caserta, Italy. Kirkop, Malta. Singapore. Tunis, Tunisia. Bascora, Morocco. Other sites administrative headquarters. Regional headquarters. Assembly plants. Design centers. Closing sites. Closed sites. Future locations. See also. References. External links. Revenue increase. 12.8 billion euros, 2021. 1. Operating income increase. 2.4 billion euros, 2021. 1. Net income increase. 2.0 billion euros, 2021. 1. Total assets increase. 15.5 billion euros, 2021. 1. Total equity increase. 9.2 billion euros, 2021. 1. Number of employees 48,254, 2021. 1. Website u.st.com. STM32 microcontroller made by STMicroelectronics history. ST was formed in 1987 by the merger of two government-owned semiconductor companies, Italian SGS Microelettronica, where SGS stands for Société Générale Semiconductrice, Semiconductors General Company, and French Thomson Semiconductors. The semiconductor arm of Thomson SGS Microelettronica originated in 1972 from a previous merger of two companies Aquila Tubi Semiconductrice, a vacuum turbine semiconductor maker headquartered in El Aquila, their general capital of Abruzzo, which in 1961 changed its name to Azienda Tecnica ed Elettronica del Sud and relocated its manufacturing plant in the industrial zone of Catania, in Sicily. Société Générale Semiconductrice, founded in 1957 by Adriano Olivetti. Thomson Semiconductors was created in 1982 by the French government's widespread nationalization of industries. It included the semiconductor activities of the French electronics company Thomson. In 1985 it bought Mostec, a U.S. company founded in 1969 as a spin-off of Texas Instruments from United Technologies. Silex, founded in 1977. Eurotechnique, founded in 1979 in Recit, Bouches-du-Rhône as a joint venture between Saint-Gobain of France and US-based National Semiconductor. FSys, founded in 1977. Cisco-Sem, founded in 1969. At the time of the merger of these two companies in 1987, the newborn corporation was named SGS Thomson but took its current name in May 1998 following Thomson's sale of its shares. After its creation, ST was ranked 14th among the top 20 semiconductor suppliers with sales of around $850 million. The company has participated in the consolidation of the semiconductor industry since its formation, with acquisitions including in 1989. British company Inmos known for its transputer microprocessors from parent Thorn EMI. In 1994, Canada-based Nortel Semiconductor activities. In 1999, UK, Edinburgh-based VLSI Vision Gloss Image Sensor Research and Development Company, a spin-out of Edinburgh University. Incorporated in the 1st of January, 2000, the company became STMicroelectronics Imaging Division, currently part of the Analog MEMS and Sensors Business Group. In 2000, Wafer Scale Integration Incorporated, WSI, Fremont, California, a vendor of EEPROM and flash memory-based programmable system chips Winking SAD Smiley 2. In 2002, Alcatel's Microelectronics Division, which along with the incorporation of smaller ventures such as UK company, Synod Limited, helped the company expand into the wireless LAN market. In 2007, US-based Genesis Microchip. 3. Genesis Microchip is known for their strength in video processing technology, Ferraja, and has design centers located in Santa Clara, California, Toronto, Taipei City and Bangalore. 4. Field Programmable Microcontroller Peripheral from Wafer Scale Integration PSD311 on the 8th of December, 1994. the company completed its initial public offering on the Paris and New York stock exchanges. Owner Thomson sold its stake in the company in 1998 when the company also listed on the Italian Bourse in Milan. In 2002, Motorola and TSMC joined ST and Philips in a new technology partnership. The Crolles 2 Alliance was created with a new 12-wafer manufacturing facility located in Crolles, France. By 2005, ST was ranked 5th, behind Intel, Samsung, Texas Instruments and Toshiba, but ahead of Infineon, Renesas, NEC, NXP Semiconductors, and Freescale. The company was the largest European semiconductors supplier, ahead of Infineon and NXP. Early in 2007, NXP Semiconductors, formerly Philips Semiconductors, and Freescale, formerly Motorola Semiconductors, decided to stop their participation in Crolles 2 Alliance. Under the terms of the agreement, the alliance came to an end on December 31, 2007. 4. On the 22nd of May, 2007, ST and Intel created a joint venture in the memory application called Numanix. This new company merged ST and Intel flash memory activities. Semiconductor market consolidation continued with ST and NXP announcing on the 10th of April, 2008, the creation of a new joint venture of their mobile activities, with ST owning 80% of the new company and NXP 20%. This joint venture began on the 20th of August, 2008. On the 10th of February, 2009, ST Ericsson, a joint venture bringing together ST NXP Wireless and Ericsson Mobile platforms, was established. 5. ST Ericsson was a multinational manufacturer of wireless products and semiconductors, supplying to mobile device manufacturers. 6. ST Ericsson was a 50/50 joint venture of STMicroelectronics and Ericsson established on the 3rd of February, 2009, and dissolved on the 2nd of August, 2013. Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, it was a fabless company, outsourcing semiconductor manufacturing to foundry companies. In 2011, ST announced the creation of a joint lab with Santana School of Advanced Studies. The lab will focus on research and innovation in biorobotics, smart systems and microelectronics. 7. Past collaborations with Santana School of Advanced Studies included DustBot, a platform that integrated self-navigating service robots for waste collection. 7. Shareholders. As of the 31st of December, 2014, the shareholders were Sad Smiley 8, 68.4% public, New York Stock Exchange, Euronext Paris, Borsa Italiana Milano. 4.1% Treasury shares. 27.6% STMicroelectronics Holding B.50% FT1 CI. Difference 79.2% and French Alternative Energies and Atomic Energy Commission, CEA, 20.8%, previously AREVA and CEA. 50% Ministro dell'Economia e del Finanze of Italy, Finmeccanica until 2004, Cassa Depositi e Prestiti until 2010, both between 2004 to 2009. Manufacturing facilities. Unlike fabless semiconductor companies, STMicroelectronics owns and operates its own semiconductor wafer fabs. The company owned 5 8-inch, 200 mm, wafer fabs and one 12-inch, 300 mm, wafer fab in 2006. Most of the production is scaled at 0.18 micrometer, 0.13 micrometer, 90 nm and 65 nm, measurements of transistor gate length. STMicroelectronics also owns back-end plants, where silicon dies are assembled and bonded into plastic or ceramic packages. 9. Major sites include Grenoble, France. Grenoble is one of the company's most important R&D centers, employing around 4,000 staff. The Polygon site employs 2,200 staff and is one of the historical bases of the company, XSGS. All the historical wafer fab lines are now closed, but the site hosts the headquarters of many divisions, marketing, design, industrialization, and an important R&D center, focused on silicon and software design and fab process development. The Crolles site hosts a 200 mm, 8-in, and a 300 mm, 12-in, fab and was originally built as a common R&D center for STMicroelectronics as part of the 1990 Grenoble 92 partnership between SGS Thomson and CNET, the R&D center of French telecom company France Telecom. The 200 mm, 8-in, fab, known as Crolles 1, is the company's first and was built as part of a 1991 partnership between SGS Thomson and Philips to develop new manufacturing technologies. Crolles 1 was opened on September 9, 1993 by Gérard Longuet, French Minister for Industry, and Alain Carignan, Mayor of Grenoble. The 300 mm, 12-in, fab was inaugurated by French President Jacques Chirac on the 27th of February 2003. It includes an R&D center which focuses on developing new nanometric technology processes for 90 nm to 32 nm scale using 300 mm, 12-in, wafers, and it was developed for the Crolles 2 Alliance. This alliance of STMicroelectronics, TSMC, NXP Semiconductors, formerly Philips Semiconductor, and Freescale, formerly Motorola Semiconductor, partnered in 2002 to develop the facility and to work together on process development. The technologies developed at the facility were also used by global semiconductor foundry TSMC of Taiwan, allowing TSMC to build the products developed in Crolles on behalf of the alliance partners who required such foundry capacity. A new fab is under construction since 2015. Recit, France. Employing around 3,000 staff, Recit hosts several division headquarters including smart cards, microcontrollers, and EEPROM, as well as several R&D centers. Recit also hosts an 8-inch, 200 mm, fab, which was opened on the 15th of May, 2000 by French Prime Minister Lionel Jospin. The site opened in 1979 as a 100 mm, 3.9-in, fab operated by Eurotechnique, a joint venture between Saint-Gobain of France and National Semiconductor of the US. Recit was sold to Thomson CSF in 1982 as part of the French government's 1981-82 nationalization of several industries. As part of the nationalization, a former Thomson plant in the center of Aix-en-Provence operating since the 1960s was closed and staff were transferred to the new Recit site. The original 100 mm, 4-in, fab was upgraded into 130 mm, 5-in, and later 150 mm, 6-in, fab in 1996. It is now being shut down. In 1988, a small group of employees from the Thomson Recit plant, including the director, Marc Lassus, founded a start-up company, Gemolto, formerly known as Gemplus, which became a leader in the smart card industry. Tours, France. Employing 1,500 staff, this site hosts a fab and R&D centers. Milan, Italy. Employing 6,000 staff, the Milan facilities match Grenoble in importance. A Great Brianza employs around 4,000 staff and is a historical base of the company, XSGS. The site has several fab lines, including an 300 mm, 12-in, fab, and an R&D center. Castelletto, employs 300 to 400 staff and hosts some divisions and R&D centers. Update 2012. Numanix JV, with Intel, is acquired by Micron. As such, R2 Fab, a great previous R&D 200mm fab